Holiday party dress code decoded, semi-formal on a budget. Elevate your holiday style without breaking the bank. Discover the ultimate guide to semi-formal holiday party dress code on a budget. In today's video, we're decoding the semi-formal dress code on a budget. From affordable outfit ideas to styling tips and tricks, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and make this holiday season a stylish one. First we have cyclamen wrap ruched velvet dress, perfect for making a statement at parties, weddings, and holiday gatherings. This elegant, semi-formal dress boasts luxurious velvet fabric for a soft, glossy finish, stretchy, comfortable design for a flattering fit, deep V-neck and ruched high waist for a sophisticated silhouette, long sleeves for added warmth and style, regular fit with a bodycon design and side slit for a touch of glamour. Available in plus sizes to ensure a perfect fit for all. Ideal for semi-formal events, this dress offers a luxurious look without breaking the bank. Whether you're attending a wedding, cocktail party, or holiday gathering, the cyclamen wrap ruched velvet dress is sure to turn heads. Next, number 2. Dress-a-Star women's long-sleeve A-line lace dress, semi-formal elegance on a budget. Step into the spotlight with the Dress-a-Star women's long-sleeve A-line lace homecoming bridesmaid midi dress. Perfectly crafted for weddings, proms, and holiday parties, this affordable yet sophisticated piece effortlessly decodes the semi-formal dress code. Featuring metallic threading and glittering sequins, the dress shimmers beautifully under any light, ensuring all eyes are on you. Made from 100% polyester, it combines style with comfort, allowing you to celebrate in elegance all night long. The classic round neckline and chic 3/4 length sleeves add a timeless touch, while the flattering A-line silhouette ensures you look stunning from every angle. Versatile and easy to accessorize, this dress is a must-have for anyone seeking semi-formal perfection without breaking the bank. Next, number 3. Barrelove women's velvet cocktail formal midi dress. Elevate your winter wedding guest look with the Barrelove women's velvet cocktail formal midi dress. Designed for elegance and comfort, this long-sleeve velvet dress is perfect for Christmas parties, semi-formal gatherings, or winter weddings. The luxurious velvet fabric offers a flattering fit, while the bodycon silhouette highlights your curves with sophistication. The midi length strikes the perfect balance between modesty and style, making it a versatile choice for any occasion. Stand out effortlessly with this timeless winter fashion staple, ideal for adding a touch of glamour to holiday celebrations without breaking your budget. Next, number 4. IOT 2024 Women's Sexy V-Neck Velvet Faux Wrap Cocktail Party Dress. Turn heads this holiday season with the IOT 2024 Women's Sexy V-Neck Velvet Faux Wrap Dress. Crafted from high-quality, breathable velvet with excellent elasticity, this bodycon dress hugs your curves in all the right places, ensuring a comfortable yet stunning fit. The deep V neckline highlights your collarbone, while the ruched waist design flatters your figure by defining the waistline and subtly concealing the tummy. Perfect for semi-formal occasions, this sheath-style dress combines elegance with allure, making it ideal for cocktail parties, winter weddings, or festive celebrations. Its timeless design complements various body types, offering a chic and confident look without exceeding your budget. Next, number 5. Grace Karin Sequin Chiffon Evening Gown for Women 2024. Step into elegance with the Grace Karin Sequin Chiffon Evening Gown, a perfect choice for mothers of the bride, wedding guests, or any formal occasion. Crafted from soft, high-quality chiffon, this ankle-length dress offers a flattering A-line silhouette that complements various body types. The sequin patchwork adds a touch of glamour, while the fine glitter finish ensures a trendy yet sophisticated appearance. Featuring an elegant crew neck and 3/4 slit sleeves, this gown balances modesty with style. The hidden back zipper ensures a seamless fit, making it a hassle-free choice for semi-formal events. Perfect for holiday parties or weddings, this timeless dress exudes charm and grace, all on a budget. Next, number 6. Dresdel's Velvet Cocktail Dress for Women 2024. Celebrate in style with the Dresdel's Velvet Cocktail Dress, designed for Christmas parties, winter weddings, and holiday gatherings. Made from premium velvet fabric, this dress is soft, breathable, and resistant to pilling or fading, ensuring lasting comfort and elegance. The fine craftsmanship, including a smooth zipper, highlights its high-quality construction, perfect for semi-formal winter events. This timeless design features a flattering V neckline and ruffled short sleeves for a touch of charm and comfort. The loose-fitting ruffle hemline enhances your curves without feeling restrictive, offering both sophistication and ease. Ideal for semi-formal occasions, this dress is an affordable way to stay chic and stylish this holiday season. Next, number 7. Hokuo's Women's 2024 Mesh Ruched Bodycon Midi Dress. Elevate your formal look with the Hokuo's Women's Round Neck Long Sleeve Ruffle Hem Midi Dress, a perfect choice for weddings, cocktail parties, and holiday events. Crafted from high-quality, soft, stretchy mesh fabric, this dress ensures comfort and a flattering fit while maintaining a sophisticated, non-see-through design thanks to its stretch lining. The elegant high-low ruffle hem adds movement and charm, while the ruched mesh detailing enhances your silhouette. Featuring a round neckline, long sleeves, and a hidden back zipper for a seamless finish, this bodycon midi dress is designed for a slim yet comfortable fit. Ideal for semi-formal occasions, this chic dress combines timeless elegance with affordability, making it a must-have for the season. Next, number 8. Gardened Women's Long Sleeve Velvet Maxi Dress. Elevate your wardrobe with the Gardened Women's Long Sleeve Velvet Maxi Dress, a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Crafted from soft, breathable, and stretchy velvet, this dress ensures a cozy yet luxurious feel, making it an ideal choice for fall and winter occasions. Designed for women aged 20-50, it offers timeless elegance for both formal and semi-formal events. This stunning maxi dress features a flattering wrap V neckline, graceful long sleeves, and a chic front split that enhances its feminine silhouette. Whether you're attending a wedding, evening party, or holiday gathering, this dress beautifully highlights your curves while exuding effortless glamour. Achieve the perfect semi-formal look on a budget with this versatile and stylish velvet wrap dress. Next, number 9. Grace Karin Women's Sequin V-Neck Ruffle Sleeve Empire Waist Cocktail Dress. Shine bright at your next event with the Grace Karin Women's Sequin Cocktail Dress, a perfect blend of sparkle and comfort. Made from 95% polyester and 5% elastane, with a soft lining, this dress offers a dazzling yet comfortable fit that keeps you elegant all night. This A-line formal dress features a flattering empire waist, a chic V neckline, and delicate short ruffle sleeves that add a feminine touch. The midi length and glittering sequins create a sophisticated silhouette ideal for holiday parties, weddings, and semi-formal gatherings. Decode the holiday party dress code and style. This budget-friendly sparkly dress is a timeless wardrobe addition. Now last but not the least, number 10. Grace Karin Women's Sequin Sparkly Glitter Long Sleeve Velvet Cocktail Dress. Step into elegance with the Grace Karin Women's Long Sleeve Velvet Cocktail Dress, a stunning combination of sparkle and sophistication. Designed with a hidden side zipper for a seamless look, this fully lined dress ensures a smooth silhouette and comfortable fit. Crafted from glittering sequin material, this dress catches the light beautifully, showcasing your charm and impeccable fashion taste. The long sleeves and soft velvet fabric add a touch of warmth and luxury, making it perfect for fall and winter events. Pair it with heels, statement earrings, and a clutch to complete the chic, polished look. Decode the holiday party dress code and style with this semi-formal, budget-friendly showstopper. That's it for today's video on semi-formal holiday party dresses on a budget. If you're looking for more affordable fashion inspiration, check out the links in our description box below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest content. Happy holidays, and don't forget to stay stylish on a budget.